This 2026 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new K-Z is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 8, refrigerator, spare tire kit, microwave, awning, air conditioning, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, slide-out, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 K-Z Sportsmen SE 301DB is 6,360 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.